In this informative video, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of intermittent fasting. It's imperative to grasp that intermittent fasting is not a rigid diet plan but rather a flexible dietary approach. It doesn't prescribe specific foods to eat but concentrates on when you should consume them and when you should abstain from eating. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. The essence of intermittent fasting lies in reshaping your eating pattern without the necessity of calorie reduction. Now, let's explore the compelling reasons for integrating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Weight loss and hormonal regulation. Intermittent fasting is renowned for its remarkable impact on weight loss, and the secret behind this lies in the orchestration of two pivotal hormones within your body, growth hormone and insulin. Growth hormone. This hormone emerges as a potent anti-aging agent and a formidable fat-burning force. It plays a dual role in safeguarding your lean muscle mass while facilitating the burning of excess fat. Insulin. While insulin is indispensable for regulating blood sugar levels, an excess of it can act as a catalyst for fat storage. High levels of insulin can thwart your weight loss efforts by obstructing fat-burning processes. Combating insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting offers a strategic approach to combat insulin resistance, a condition where the pancreas overproduces insulin. This overproduction typically arises due to continuous consumption of high-carbohydrate diets or frequent eating patterns. Think of it as trying to communicate with someone wearing earplugs. The cells resist insulin signals, leading to a cascade of health problems, including prediabetes. Now, let's explore the various levels of engagement in intermittent fasting. Starting point. Many individuals embark on their intermittent fasting journey by consuming 5 or 6 meals a day, often including breakfast, lunch, and snacks. It's essential to recognize that each meal, even if it's a snack, triggers insulin release. Transition. The initial step in adopting intermittent fasting is transitioning to 3 meals a day without indulging in snacks. This transition serves to reduce the frequency of insulin spikes. To sustain this pattern effectively, incorporating more dietary fat into your meals can be instrumental in curbing hunger between these meals. Intermediate level. For those desiring more pronounced fat loss, the 16:8 fasting pattern is a compelling option. This regimen entails fasting for 16 hours and allowing yourself an 8-hour eating window. For instance, if you initiate your first meal at 10 a.m., your last meal should be at 6 p.m., maintaining an 8-hour eating window. Advanced level. To unlock the full potential of fat burning, consider adopting a 20:4 fasting pattern, entailing a fasting period of 20 hours and a condensed 4-hour eating window. For example, you might commence your eating at 1 p.m. and conclude at 5 p.m. This protracted fasting duration significantly accelerates fat burning. It's paramount to understand that transitioning between these levels may necessitate time. Your body requires a gradual adjustment period to mitigate potential side effects such as headaches or discomfort. If your metabolism has previously endured the stress of restrictive diets or extreme calorie reductions, the transition might be more extended. In conclusion, the synergy of intermittent fasting and intermittent exercise, such as high-intensity interval training, can elevate the benefits of this approach, resulting in even more efficient fat burning. It's crucial to recognize that intermittent fasting isn't a quick fix. It's a gradual and sustainable process with immense potential to enhance overall health and facilitate weight loss. Feel free to share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you value the knowledge and insights we provide and would like to support our channel in a meaningful way, please consider making a donation. Your contribution, no matter how big or small, helps us continue our work, improve our content, and reach even more people. It's your support that keeps the wheels turning and motivates us to keep creating content that matters.